So I'm just gonna show you some other stuff, like for example, so there's a so in this div, like there's a small space between this div and this div, safe space. So I the way I added this space is like basically like you having like a margin bottom. You can obviously increase this space if you want, or if you don't want, like this. And also there's also a small amount of space from saved place to confirm location. So there's a margin top. If I remove the margin top, they become really tight. So you just have to have like some sort of margin to have some like consistency. What? Okay. So yeah, you see like there's some space between the divs, so it looks better. And so when you click on the confirm location, it has to go to the confirm page. Now let's start creating the confirm component. The confirm component was already there, and then have import the confirm component in the app, route confirm, and then confirm, import confirm, and use it right here. Confirm is also going to be a little complex. I'm just going to start with React. Use state, and then import so it automatically imports from React.DOM. And then there's this general status that I'm importing from general context API. And then there's some data that's, if you have the backend working, then you can have the data from the backend. But for now, since I don't have any backend, I don't have an API attached to it, I'm just gonna import for some data. I'm just gonna have some like static data import from components. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about in a second. So I just have like so this is the so this is an array. The name of the array is card list, and then you have a bunch of objects inside this array. So the first one is image, URL, service, and multiplier. So basically this is what Uber gives you after like you click confirm. So you have like the confirm, and then you have this thing. So this is what I'm creating. So this has an image, and this is an image, and this is like the UberX. The UberXL has a different image, and then comfort and black SUV. So this is what I'm doing right now. So these are the images, Uber Black, UberXL, and you can just find their address in the Uber app, and then use this data, import this data in here. So you'll notice that there is also a map component. Map component is obvious that I'm not doing the map component right now. The map component I'll do in the end. And then import the select position that I I've created earlier, select position that I initiated in the general context API. So I'm just going to import these two because I'm using them to plot the points in the map. Just going to double check. Okay, so these two I'm just going to use it. I'm not going to use it in this page. Like I'm just going to only pass this in the map. So I'm just going to use it when I create the map component. And this is the ride duration. So this is the main div that I'll make. So this is basically the whole div. So I'm just gonna start styling it. Display flex. Flex direction should be column. The background color is obviously white. The height is 100% or 100 vertical width. Now, and there's gonna be a map. So I'm just gonna make sure the length of the map is 50% or 50 vertical height. So there's gonna be a map component right here. There's gonna be a map component which I'm gonna import. I'm just gonna comment this out for now because there's no map component, right? And this is gonna be the rest of the div. Basically, like I said before, there's gonna be two boxes. This is the map, and this is the rest of the div. So I'm just gonna create this one. Another div. I'm gonna style it. Display flex. And then flex direction is pretty much the same as column. Height is 50% of vertical height. So another div, I'm just gonna use another div. Just gonna be for choose a ride or swipe up for more. Now I also have to style the div. So there's this one, choose a ride or swipe up for more. So I'm just going to create this one. I'm just going to have to style it as well. And then start with the color. This is the text color. And the text align, so it should be at the center. Font size, have a specific font size, whatever you think is necessary. So 75 RAM. And there's some kind of a line height. Some kind of a padding. And I'm gonna use the dev tools just to show you what each of them are doing. Padding bottom. Border. Okay, so there you go. Choose a ride. Choose a ride. So now I'm just gonna use this. You have to use those pictures right here, like just like this one, and have the amount. Another div. So inside the div, you're just gonna have to like have a small like border around it. A good way to do it is have to have a padding. Use a padding all around. So when you just use padding, means that it means padding top, padding bottom, padding left, padding right. And then use this car list data that I imported. So there's gonna be another div. Okay. I'm not sure what's happening. What? There you go. So what's I'm using this curly braces, um, and then there's another round bracket that I needed to end. This one I need to end, so I'm used with this one. Have to end this bracket, and then there's another open curly braces that I need to fix. So you have to like pair this brackets, otherwise it's going to show you an error. Have another div inside, and so inside the div there's going to be a bunch of images. Display, flex direction should be justify content space between. Basically it means that it's going to have an evenly properly spaced, so evenly spaced items, and there's going to be text inside, so you're going to have to provide align items, and then padding top, and then padding bottom, then you can add a key, otherwise it's going to show you an error. So I'm just going to add a key here. And then use the image, import, and close this image, and then import from car, and then there's going to be a height, and there's going to be some margin right. So I'm importing the image from this card data, so it also has img URL. Let's see what's happening. Just click. Okay, I don't see anything. I don't see anything yet. So let's just do it anyway. So there's this UberX, and then there's this like thing like called 5 minutes away, and then there's this amount. So let's just do, so you have the image, and then let's just do the UberX, and then 5 minutes away. Let's just create these two items. Okay. style it. So there's gonna be like two items. It has to be like a flex version should be column because they're placed in column wise. The display flex direction should be column, flex this should be 1. You don't really have to give this one. Well, flex is just to give the dimension. We can use this one. So inside I'm gonna use the UberX, UberXL, those kind of items. So it's in the service object. So I'm just gonna create the div again. Style it, font weight, service. Let's see what happened. Still nothing. What? Why is this so empty? Let's confirm. I'm using the component right here. Confirm pages, confirm, and then confirm. I'm not sure what's happening.